DKIM Yahoo. Essentials: protecting your emails from spoofing. Warmy blog. Ever wondered how hackers send emails that look like they're from your bank? This tactic, called email spoofing, affects millions globally, leading to significant data and financial losses every year. Domain Keys Identified Mail, DKIM, is an email authentication technique designed to combat spam, phishing, and email spoofing. It uses a digital signature to verify the sender's identity and ensure the email hasn't been altered during transit. DKIM not only bolsters email security, but also increases email deliverability by reducing the chances of emails being marked as spam. It boosts recipient trust and complies with industry standards for secure email practices. Step-by-step guide to setting up DKIM in Yahoo. Log into your account. Visit the Yahoo Business Mail login page at Yahoo Small Business Login. Enter your administrator username and password to access the admin dashboard. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the admin panel usually found on the dashboard or under the Settings menu. Click on Mail Settings or a similarly named option to find email management and security settings. Generating your DKIM key. Access DKIM settings. In the Mail Settings panel, look for an option labeled Authenticate Email or Email Authentication. Select DKIM settings from the available options. Generate the DKIM key. Choose the domain you wish to set up DKIM for from a drop-down menu or list of your verified domains. Click on Generate Key or Create Signature. This action will automatically generate a new DKIM public-private key pair. Configuring DKIM in Yahoo. Publish the DKIM record. Generate the DKIM key to receive a TXT record from Yahoo. Log into your domain registrar's DNS management tool. Add a new TXT record using the hostname and value provided by Yahoo. Activate DKIM signing. Go to Yahoo DKIM settings. Enable DKIM signing to start signing outgoing emails. For enhanced deliverability, consider using Warmy.io, which offers email warm-up, deliverability testing, and SPF and DMARC record generators to ensure your emails consistently reach their intended audience. Before you move on, remember to tap that like button and subscribe for exclusive access to our upcoming releases.